for the time being, just shift focus and put the spotlight actually on the commodities space, on the chemical space actually, and understand what a lot of this tariff talk has meant for Indian chemical companies so far. We have Nilesh Ghuge, institutional analyst at HDFC Securities, joining in. Nilesh, let's just keep it very simple and start right there. So, since the tariffs came over, first 25% and 50%, what have been the changes, if at all, in the supply chains and, in shipments from India, in our imports from China, whether you're looking at agrochemicals or, let's say, API? Just tell us what the bare basic changes have been in terms of volumes, the inflow and outflow when it comes to specialty chemicals last few weeks and months.
Yeah, so see, the thing is, the things are evolving. Yesterday also there was a news that there is a bilateral discussion is going on between US and India government. So these things are evolving. Yeah, you are right. 50% tariff from the US on the India. So one should look at the commodity and the specialty chemical in different way. So the impact will be adverse on the commodity, in our opinion. We are of the opinion that commodity will be hit hardly because of if this 50% tariff on Indian manufacturers remain intact. But on the other side, if we talk about specialty chemicals, then it varies a lot depending on the chemical, the end use. For example, if suppose these chemicals are used as a additives, or there is a clear-cut advantage that Indian manufacturers enjoy because of the process innovation, then customers will continue to buy those chemicals. There should not be any impact on the volumes. They will ready to pay, or the customers will be ready to pay the higher prices, including the tariff. But things are evolving. We hope that tariff may come down a little bit after this fruitful discussion between India and US government.
Little bit, Nilesh, if it will come down, that 25% will go. You'll be at 25%, right? And then
yes.
that 25% perhaps is worked down.
Yes. So let's just hypothetically, suppose this 25% tariff remain, then there is a news or the article suggests that Chinese, which are the competitor as far as the chemical industry is concerned. So Chinese manufacturers are competitors for Indian manufacturers, where there is a tariff between 27 to 30%. So there clear-cut, there is an advantage that Indian manufacturers will enjoy. But at the same time, we should look at the Annexure 2, if there is a advantage or the exemption.
Yeah. Nilesh, on the back of this, let's say 25% goes, one stock you think which has been beaten down and where you think there is upside? One name.
Yeah, it's difficult to pinpoint anyone, but I will say that commodity manufacturer will suffer a lot.
Will suffer?
Yeah, see, commodity manufacturer, see what will happen if suppose there is a 25% tariff on the Indian manufacturer, which is at par with the, let's say you can say the Chinese manufacturer. Then there will be a dumping from the Chinese. There could be chances that the Chinese manufacturer will dump those products in the market, which are, the non-US market, the other markets.
Nilesh, good luck and good drive. Thank you very much for joining us, and appreciate it very much.